So, I bought this one in Korea. Medyo maarte tayo minsan. So, hand cream. Kasi maganda siya, mabango. So, pag nag-handshake ka, pag nag-handshake ka ng client, tapos, mabango siya. Sobra. So, sino kaya ka-handshake? Hello, everyone, and welcome to my channel. Char. Hello. Hello. Hello, everything. So this is my first ever vlog. So I'm very excited to show you kung anong mangyayari or anong gagawin natin. I'm Dhyris. You can call me Dhyris, but they call me Dhyris. Dhyris. So why are we here? So bakit tayo nag-video? So my first ever vlog, I wanted to be for the girls kasi babae ako. So ano meron sa bag ng girls? So, for me, so may mga ma-discover kayong kahit anong bagay dyan. So, hinakaban ako, but let's see. So, there's my bag. This is my black bag. I usually bring this one kasi very handy, very easy to bring, and all of my stuffs are here. So, andito siya lahat. Hindi lang ako magpalit ng bag. Gusto ko siya kasi madami siyang pwedeng paglagyan. And since I love black, that's why I have this color. So madami siya, very elegant, very classy when you go out. Can be paired in all types of clothes, styles. So very easy. Problema. So ngayon, let's check what's inside. Meron sa bag ko. Okay. Let's start with the ta-da! This is what we call FM Pass. Yeah, here in Davao, we really need to have this one when we go out, especially when we buy stuffs or groceries. And when we go to the malls, this is very important. You cannot be inside without having one. So, may pair siyang ID. Dapat may valid ID siya para ma-confirm na ikaw talagang nandito. Yep. So, dalawa yung nakalagay. It's me and my dad. Kasi kami yung nagda-drive na sasakyan most of the time. So, we were the ones going around. Go to the malls, groceries, or palengke. All of them are looking for this, so you cannot enter the vicinity or the malls, groceries without having this one or bringing this one with you. So it's a must. That's it. Ta-da! I have a comb. Very important for girls to have one kasi pag, for example, namamadali ka and then hindi ka pa nakapag-supply, so you can do this one in your car or in the comfort room pag nasa office lang. So, pink siya. Hindi ko alam. I'm not a fan of that pink color, but cute naman siya. Sakto lang din yung I usually use brush, but hindi ko mahanap yung brush ko. So, malinis siya. Tada! This is my pen. Very important to have ganyan tayo. Sabi ko. So I have a pen. This is 0.5 pen, 0.5 mm pen. Binili ko lang to sa sa Lots for this. Very important kasi pag may pipirmahan ka, unexpected na, may mga ganito. So pen, pag may mga signature. Next would be my contact lenses. So I wear clear contact lenses kasi minsan tinatamad din akong mag-glasses. Especially pag maganda yung outfit mo. You prefer to look presentable or parang normal person lang nang walang glasses. So, contact glasses is very helpful. Kapagod lang, but okay na siya. Next is, of course, eye solution, panglinis ng contact lens. So, that's EO. Vlog. EO. Yep. So, parang pwede na ako mag-endorse. Daming brands. Next. This one is also an eye solution, eye lubricant. Yep, for your eyes. From EO also. Pag nai-irritate na siya, yung contact lens, you have to put this one. Or even if makati lang yung mata mo, without wearing one, you can put this one. It's safe. Yeah. Next one is pang-wipe ko sa glasses ko. Yep, it's my glasses. Yeah, so very important panlinis. Kasi I'm wearing one, so I really have to bring this one all the time. Tissue. I have a one. Yung coins ko. I have 11 pesos. Kawawa naman ako. Palimos ko. I have 11 pesos in my bag. I have a double mint. So, para talaga ako nag-endorse na. Pwede na ba akong endorse? So, whenever I go out, I usually bring gum with me. Kasi after ko kumain ng meals, I really want to eat something. So, gum is very helpful. And, also when I'm traveling, kasi, mamaya pinakain mo. Alam mo yun? So, this is good. Mint flavor din siya. So, wait na lang. Yep. So, may naman pa. Yan. Next. Sunscreen. Very important. Yep. This is Maxi Peel. Sunscreen protection is SPF 20. So, I wear this one pag lumalabas. Minsan nakakalimutan ko, pero very important to wear this one. Kasi po, I'm a salesperson now, so I'm exposed to the sun. So, I really have to protect my skin by wearing a sunscreen. So, SPF 20. It's a card holder. This is not mine. This is my mom's. Nakalimutan lang niya. Sabi lang niya kasi lagay ko daw sa bag ko. So, cards na. Next is powder. I have a baby powder kasi nga pagkasama ko si Lolo, minsan kailangan nila. Alam mo yung bata, talagang sweat. So, this powder is very helpful. I usually use this one also for night things. Pag tinatamad ako foundation sa mga. Next is my gum. I have a biscuit here. It's a butter coconut biscuit. Gusto ko to kasi sakto lang yung tamis. And it's also 150 calories lang. 150. Very particular ako with the calories kasi nagka-calorie count. Especially now that I'm on diet. So, sakto lang. Hindi ko naman to kaya maubos. So, okay. Hindi naman sobrang dami, sakto lang. And then, hindi siya malaki. Hindi siya sobrang dami. Just like that. So, pag nagugutom ako sa sasakyan, ganito lang. Yan. I have my hand cream from Korea. Yep. So, I bought this one in Korea. Medyo maarte tayo minsan. So, hand cream. Kasi maganda siya, mabango. So, pag nag-handshake ka, ng client, tapos, mabango siya. Sobra. So, this is nice. Bango. Trunks. Sino kaya ka-handshake ko? Katawa. Okay, next. If meron tayong hanky, meron din tayong lotion. So, that's my right. Diba? Ang dami kong product, endorser, pwede na ba? Balo. So, yun, Myra lotion, nakakalimutan ko din minsan kasi mag-lotion. Alam mo yung pag nagmamadali ka. Late comer kasi ako. So, yun. Sa kotse na lang ako nag-lotion. So, very helpful. Very handy kasi maliit lang. I need this perfume. So, this is inspired. Yep. I bought this one from a friend. Dalawa yung binili ko nito. Pink tsaka blue. This blue one is, I think, yung pabango ng mga lalaki. To be honest, talagang I really like the smell of the perfume of the guys. That's why I decided to have one. Kasi mabango sila. Yung nga sabi nila, the perfume of the guys are really intended for the girls. That's why I bought the guy perfume. But I also have the girl one, yung pambabae kasi medyo alam mo matamis, parang hindi na ako mahilig sa mga flower ganyan. So, this one is really good. Mabango siya. Next, ethyl alcohol. You cannot go outside or leave the house without bringing one. So, this is 70% solution. So, maliit na lang siya. So, inaantay ko pa yung supply ko. So that I can refill it. And it's spray also. Maganda siya. It's a spray. Keep it. Next. Wallet. Mahilig ako sa malalaking wallet na ganito kahaba. This is a gift. Binigay lang siya. Tapos, ginagamit ko. Matagal ko na to siyang ginagamit. And, yan. Daming papel. Yung sabi ko, mahilig ako sa mahahaba tsaka malalaki kasi malalaking pitaka. Okay? Ayusin mo yan. Ayusin mo. Okay, kasi mahilig ako mag-hoard ng papers. Hindi ko tinatapon agad yung mga receipts, importante na mga papel. Hindi lang ko tinatapon sa mga papel. So, tignan natin. Wala akong pera. My God, wala akong pera. Puro papel. Nakakahiya naman ito. Tatapon siya. Shred ko yung iba. Promise. Wala akong pera. Minsan, sabi nga nila, madumi yung pera. So, better not bring one. Instead, cards type. Cashless transaction. Safe. And, ayun. So, yun na. Inayos yung papel. So, yun. Here, I have a picture of this is an ID from my IELTS review class before. And at the back is a family picture. Yup, kulot pa ako dyan. Yan. Kulot, Jolo is there, my dad is there, mom, and my brother. So, rep here. Bigay ko lang. I also have hair. Ito, hairpins. Hindi ko alam bakit. But it's better to be prepared. I also have ay mga Desano cards. Yung mga ganito. Yeah, very helpful. So, I bring. Madami akong cards dito. Yung mga pang-loyalty. Ganyan. SM Advantage. Huwag yun ang tignan yung mga cards. IDs, of course. License. I can't drive without license. Haha, may 10 pesos ako. So, I have 21 pesos. Jeez, may 21 pesos ka lang. May coins pa naman. Okay, so, may calling card. I will not show it. Madaming laman. Madaming card holders. That's why I love ganito na mga mahabang wallet. Kasi madami siyang pwedeng ilagay na cards. So, the last one is pink pouch. This is my makeup. I'm not a pink person, but ano lang, coincidence lang na white din yung pouch. So, tingnan natin. Mag-google na. Sige, okay. This is a Nature Republic blush on. Sorry, blush on. I've been using this for tagal lang, ganun. So, nice. Maganda to. Natural lang. Mukhang natural lang siyang tingnan. Next, okay, my brush. My forever brush. Pink din. Sabi ko nga hindi ako fan ng pink, pero hindi ko lang alam bakit madami ako pink. This is also a gift from a friend. So, thank you. Ganda naman. Yeah. Next, my eyeshadow. That's Dhyris. I just love the natural shades. Yung mga nude shades na. Yeah. Kaya ko yung masyadong colorful. So, I just have this one. Mostly browns and just some light colors. Kasi nga, natural talaga. Minsan lang ako nag-eyeshadow pag may special events. But with normal days, wala. Of course, yung pangkilay natin dyan. Pag tumubo na yung mga hair natin sa kilay, very important. Diba? Anong brand ito? Nichido. Diba? Nature Republic, BYS Nichido. So, baka pwedeng kunin nyo na akong model. Next is this foundation. This is also Nichido. Yan. Wala nang laman. Ano ba? Wala nang laman. Pero, konti na lang. Meron pa naman. So, this is very pressed powder. Very important to, when you're going out. Isa din sa mga ginagamit ko. Parang nilalabas ko lahat. Okay. Next is, this is, eyebrow liner. My brush siya. This is also, alam ko BYS to. Into it. This is Into It. Char. Yeah, so very important. I have those things in my pouch. Another Into It. Maliit na brush. Tsaka eyeliner. I have two. Next, aking lipstick. Yep, my lipstick. Actually, I have 3 here. Wait. Yep. This one also is a gift. This is a gift from a friend. Sonny's. Yep. This is a gift from a friend, Diana. She gave me this one as a Christmas gift. Yep, it's a red one. I've been using this one for last year. Yun nga, binigay sa akin last year. Next is this one. This is a Maybelline. It's a matte din to. Na pink. Hot pink. Friend gave me this one. Hot pink. Yeah. Diba? May red, may hot pink. Of course, sabi ko nga, mahilig din ako sa nude. So, I also have this Maybelline New York na matte din. Na nude. Diba? I have dark light at the same time. So, bihira ko lang gamitin yan. But, syempre, babae tayo. Next. This is also a liquid foundation from Nature Republic. I'm using this one. Maganda, mabango siya. Hindi ko lang po ginagamit eh. Pero, maganda to. Pang pantay ng skin sa face. Saka siya maganda. Next. This is, ano nga to? I think Maybelline. It's Fashion 21. I bought this one sa SM. Hindi ko masyado ginagamit. But this is for the liquid eyeliner. Yep. So, Fashion 21. It's also nice. Next, okay. This one is from Maybelline New York also. Madumi siya. Maybelline New York for mascara. So, pira ko lang tong gamitin. Kompleto ako, pero hindi ko ginagamit masyado. Kasi nga, gusto ko natural. Char. Next. Okay, next. Lip balm. Lip balm. Minsan kasi nagka-crack. So, I need to have a lip balm with me. Yeah. Pangit ang lip balm ko. Sobra. Next, another, what they call this, blush on. Yeah. Kasi paubos na yung Nature Republic. This is also Nishido. Yeah. Medyo natural lang siya. Kanina medyo pink yun. Medyo natural. Next is, of course, sharpener ng ng eyebrow liner. So, very important. Next, this one is also a gift from Nature Republic. This is the Venom Emulsion. Yeah. Gift from a friend. Early this year lang. Ito yata nagagamit. Of course, I have a BB cream with me. Dami ko talaga. Hindi ko nga ginagamit masyado. Hindi pa nga siya nabubuksan, no? So, and this one is another, this is a Nichido. Mahilig ako sa Nichido. This is a foundation. Yep, bago lang. Bago. Yeah, bago siya. O, diba, sabi nyo, walang yun. Ubus na, tapos may bago pala ako. Yan, sa Nichido. Bought from WhatsApp. So, yun lang. Wala nang laman. So, that's it, I guess. Lang. So, yung very easy, very handy. Madami pala laman yung bag ko. Ngayon ko lang mas na-realize. So, kahit nagsasalita ako, dahan-dahan ko lang papasok yung mga gamit. So, yun, that's it. So, kayo girls, alam kong madami din kayong gamit dyan. So, di ba po babae talaga, madaming laman yung bag. Pero yung atin naman, yung akin naman, I make sure na it's properly placed. Pag messy na siya, nagde-take time talaga to fix it. Kasi ang hirap kung hindi maayos yung pagkalagay. So, yan. That's that. So, that's it, I guess. I'm done with my what's inside your bag. So, thank you so much for watching my vlog. So, sa uulitin ulit, gagawa tayo ng bago. So, before you and this one, don't forget to subscribe. Click the subscribe button. And, of course, like this one also, if you want also to leave a comment kung anong gusto ng vlog, gawin natin video next time in the coming vlog, so please write down. And of course, don't forget to follow my Facebook account, it's in there, and my Twitter account, and my Instagram account, so follow nyo lahat. So that's it.